The world stood still. Just days ago, Diogo Jota was lifting trophies, laughing with teammates, building precious memories with his young family. Now, a stunning silence hangs over Liverpool. Jota's absence isn't just a headline, it's a wound that will take time to heal. If this story touches you, if it makes your heart beat just a little heavier, take a moment now. Like, subscribe to Getway TV, and ring the bell. Together we honor a spirit that still lives in every corner of Anfield. Inside the club, there's a deep emptiness. Not simply because they've lost a player, but because they've lost their heartbeat. The first smile in the morning, the last laugh before match day, a friend you'd trust with everything. Fans remember countless moments of brilliance, but two stand out. There was the crucial goal Jota scored to secure a vital Premier League victory, a moment that sealed Liverpool's championship just weeks before his passing. That strike wasn't just a goal, it was a spark of hope, a testament to his fearless ability to deliver when it mattered most. Then there's the memory of his versatile attacking brilliance, his swift runs, relentless pressing, and clinical finishes that turned the tide in countless matches, making him a constant threat and a fan favorite. In the stands, supporters clutch shirts with his number, light candles that flicker through the Merseyside night. This season was meant to be his story to write. Now, every goal feels different. Every cheer echoes with longing. For his teammates, memories flood back. The words of encouragement just before the whistle, the quiet support in difficult times, the infectious joy after every win. Even in silence, his impact shouts. Yet amid this pain, there is resilience. Liverpool will not break. They come together, holding each other up, pledging to carry Jota's fire every time they step onto the pitch. What happens now? Liverpool will grieve, but they will honor Jota the one way he would want, by fighting, dreaming, and playing every match as if it were their last. And as fans, as part of this global family, we carry his legacy forward, not just as a footballer, but as a relentless spirit who united us all. Stay close. This journey is about remembrance, unity, and the next chapter in a story bigger than one player, bigger than one club. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Let's keep Diogo Jota's spirit alive, side by side in every moment to come.